5.9 liter 360 serpentine belt and belt tensioner replacement. This is a 2001 Dodge 1500 4x4. Okay, here we go. It's the tensioner. And the belt routing. Dog ain't right. Mad Dog. Master Pro. Part number K070975 for the belt. And this is the tensioner 38116. That belt tensioner. They cost the tensioner was $75 and the belts of $34. Remove this coil, and you can see this place. These are other bolts. I just stuck them back in there. This is the bolt that needs to be removed to get the tensioner off, and the bolt that holds the coil on is alright, so it's 14 millimeter. Ain't that on a job? Huh? Yeah, good boy. Good boy. Don't you bite me, you crazy mean mad dog. So the side-by-side comparison of the old belt tensioner and the new one, and the bolt 15 millimeter. Box wrench or crescent wrench can be used to get that off of there. Okay, there's a notch that you just put that notch into there and it locks in. New serpentine belt tensioner installed. Crank it down. Tighten her back up. Coil pack. This is how it moves. Alright, she's on there now. Got it all tightened up, ready to go. Test her out. Getting her done, boys. Getting her done. Got her done. What next? What's next? Sure, there's something we can do. Righteous, Rob. I'm out of here.